Hello and welcome to FieldSense video tutorials. In today's video, we'll walk you through the FieldSense dashboard, your all-in-one control center for monitoring real-time on-field activities of your team. Once you log into your FieldSense account, you will land directly on the dashboard, the home screen designed to give managers like you a quick, insightful overview of your team's performance. Right at the top, you'll find the attendance overview. This widget shows the total number of team members that are punched in, total number of team members that are expected to punch in, and a breakdown of who's on field versus in office among the punch-in users. Clicking the arrow on the top right expands the view by office location. You'll see total employees punched in per location, along with how many are on field, in office, or yet to punch in. Clicking on a specific location will reveal the individual user names within. Next up, the Activities widget. The pie chart gives a cumulative count of all scheduled visits for your team, showing completed, ongoing, upcoming, and missed visits. You can drill down by location, and further into individual users, by clicking through. Now, let's look at the Expense widget. At a glance, you'll see the total claim amount submitted by your team for the day. Besides that, a status-wise breakdown shows pending claims, approved claims, and rejected claims. Click the arrow for a location-wise view, and then click a location to see claims per user. Keeping your team compliant is important. This widget tells you who hasn't installed the app, whose GPS is turned off, and who hasn't updated their app. You can drill down by users by clicking the arrow button on the right-hand corner of the card. The My Team card gives you a real-time list of all team members, including their punch-in status and time. Quickly get a snapshot of your team's activity by filtering their status. Choose from options like punched in, on field, in office, in meeting, punched out, or not punched in. Moving on to current activity. This section highlights the live status of scheduled visits, which visits are in progress, which have been completed or missed, and which clients were visited by which users. You'll also see check-in and check-out times for completed visits, and you can easily filter visits by their status. You'll also see the daily count of submitted forms and the number of new customers added since the start of the day. It's a great way to stay updated on new activities. And finally, the leaderboard shows the top 5 performers in your team, ranked by the number of successful on-field visits. A perfect motivator to drive healthy competition and performance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of FieldSense.